Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ecom Himalay and this is our fourth video in the series on how to create an e-commerce website. For those who are new here, we are actually creating an e-commerce website, the one that you can see right now on my screen. Yes, we are going to create this exact website from scratch, and the best thing about it is that you don't need to have any coding knowledge and it is going to be absolutely free. I'm going to show you each and everything in detail. In our previous video, we have discussed about WooCommerce settings. We have done the backend settings, and in this video, we are going to design our home page. We are going to show how we can add products, and this video is going to be amazing, guys. So, without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So, yes, this is our website that is looking right now, guys. Okay. Uh, for those who don't know how you can create, we have actually created a local host on our PC and now we are building this website. And if you don't know how to create a local host, guys, I'll be giving you a link in the description where you can see each and everything. So for us to log in into our panel, we need to type in wp-admin on enter. This is our login page. Let's log in. We need to enter the credentials. I'm entering mine. Okay, I've logged in into the panel. Okay, guys. In our previous video, we have already done the settings of WooCommerce. Each and everything I have shown you. And now we will head over to the product section. I'm going to show you how we can create products, guys. Okay. Before that, what I am going to do, I am going to provide you images that I have used in this tutorial. I'm also giving you some more resources that can help you design this exact website. You can use them because these are stock free images, and let me show you how you can get these images. Okay, guys, all you need to do is go to the description of my video. There you will be seeing a link of my blog. Okay, all you need to do is click on it. Once you click on it, guys, you will be getting this file here, download files here, and all you need to do is click on this button, download now. Once you click on it, you'll be getting a drive link, guys. All you need to do is hit download from here. Once you hit download, you will be able to download this file. Okay, guys, you can see this is my blog, guys, and I update each and every video inside it. You can check my blog as well, guys, and you can get back to the video. Alright, guys, once you download this file, it is going to look like this. All you need to do is to extract it. You can extract it from 7-zip or any other software that you have. Simply extract it. Now I have extracted it. I'm going to double click on it. These are the images that I'll be getting. Okay, and one of the most important thing I am getting is this file, guys, cadence export theme. What it helps us, it will help you, it will help you to do all these settings and you don't need to do anything. Okay, it is going to create the height of your main menu bar, and it will decide each and everything, and I have done it for you. So I believe in smart work, not in hard work, so I am going to provide you this. This is one of the best feature that I find for the cadence theme, that if you have a website running or if you have done your hard work, then what you can do, you can simply import that file. Okay, guys, and you don't need to do anything. So for this to work, what you need to make sure that the plugins that we have installed is Cadence Starter Template. This plugin needs to be installed on your website, guys. And if you are watching this for a new time, you need to download this plugin. For those who don't know how to download this plugin, you need to click on Add New, guys. Once you click on Add New, you need to type in these plugins name. Okay, and I'll show you quickly as I've entered it. Let me see. It is there. Okay, guys. You will see option to install it and then you can activate it, and similarly you will get this one as well. Okay, once you install that, you will head over to the customization settings, guys. We will head over to import and export. it is given at the last, at the bottom, guys. Okay, now what we wanted to do, we wanted to import file that have all the customization for the theme. Okay, so what I am going to do, let's click on select file. Hmm, hmm, let's head over to desktop, and in desktop we'll have a tutorial, and in tutorial I'm going to do this. Okay, simply click on import, guys. Once we click on import, guys, it is going to import all our customization for this theme, and our theme will look much better, our website will look much better, guys. Okay, see how it is looking right now, guys. Okay, once it is done, all you need to do is, it is looking like this, guys. I'll show you each and everything, guys, so don't worry about it. What we wanted to do, let's head over to pages, guys. In our previous video, I have shown you if the card page is not available, how you can create them. So any extra card page, I'm deleting them. Trash. Okay. So yes, I have deleted them. Let's refresh it. Okay. So now we are going to create products, guys. For us to create products, head over to product section. Click on all products. Currently, we don't have any products, so we need to click on create products. Now we have to enter our product name. Okay, what we are going to do, before we do anything, I'll go ahead and tell you each and everything regarding this. So first we need to go, yeah, as you can see, we can enter product name, then we will have an option here to publish. As you can see, the status is right now draft visibility is public and publish immediately. Catalog visibility, shop and search result, which means this product will be visible on shop and search results as well. Okay, so first of all we can enter details here, that is product short description. I'm going to tell you each and everything, so do not worry about it. Okay, and now right here we can enter product price, inventory, shipping, attributes, advanced. We are going to go over each and every step one by one, so do not worry about it. We can enter product tag here, we can enter our product image here, and as you can see, we have more option for post settings, but you don't need to mess this is one, because it has already been set. And now we can add product gallery as well. You can move these settings as well as per your convenience. And here we have a product short description. So above we have a product long description, and below this we have a product short description. So let's go ahead and make new product. Okay, let's make portable water bottle. Okay, water bottle for dogs. Okay, so once I have entered this and I hit on publish, you will see the link has already been created for this product. If I click on it, I can see. Okay, so this is the place alter image that I have talked about. Okay, so right now we have not added any images, we have not added any price, so it is looking like this. So now we are going to add few things. First, product are of many types, guys. In this video I'm going to show you simple products and variable products, because these are the most important products that you are going to find. So first of all, simple products. What are simple products? Simple products are the products in which you don't have any variation. So what do I mean by variation? Okay, let's take an example of shirt, like a t-shirt or something. So that t-shirt have different sizes, right? And that t-shirt can also have different colors. So that colors, different colors and different sizes are known as variation. Okay, so if we are creating any product that does not have any variation as such, like in this, if I am only selling like a blue water bottle, then in that case I don't have any variation, right? So I can say that that product is a simple product. Okay, so in order to make a simple product, all you need to do is click on simple product, which has already been selected. So we need to enter regular price. Let's enter 699. Okay, and sales price is like 499. Okay, and taxable, let's go with no tax, zero rate. Okay, but if you have text enable, and in my previous video I've also show you how you can, go with these texts, how you can create different text classes. For those who are new here, you have different classes for GST as well, that is 18%, 12%, 5%. In my previous video I've shown you how you can enable these things, how you can do all the settings. And for those who are not from India and you have VAT, that is value added tax, so in my previous video I have also shown you how you can create VAT tax as well. So the link will be in description, you can check that out and you will be good to go, guys. Okay, so I've added simple product. In inventory, what is SKU? SKU is a unique number and an identifier for you personally. No customer is going to see it. So an SKU is basically for you. So you can enter the SKU. If you want to manage stock, then you can click on this option. If you enable it, you will see you need to enter stock quantity. Suppose you are, keeping quantities in your warehouse, then you can enter how many stock of this quantity that you have. Okay, and low stock threshold. Okay, so what will happen if suppose I have 100 quantities of any product, and I'm selling that product, and if I set the threshold to 5, so what will happen after once there are 95 orders that has been placed by the customer, only 5 are left, then WordPress is going to send me an automatic email stating that you have a low stock for this product. And in any case, if I want my customer to, if the stock quantity becomes zero, and if I want my customer to place an order at that time, then I can enable it allow back orders, which means the customer can place the order even if the threshold for that quantity is zero. Okay, even if the stock for that quantity is zero. Okay, and if you don't want to allow it, then you can click on it. If you want to allow it but you want customer to notify about it, then you can click on this one. Okay, so as such cases we don't want to do that. I have shown you how what are these settings. Okay, so in our case we are not enabling any stock option here. For shipping, you can enter weight, you can enter dimension, and you can enter shipping class. For those who are new here, in my previous video I have shown you how you can enable shipping classes as well, so you can check that out. And the link products, we'll discuss about it later. We can do cross sell and upsell of that product, which is very amazing feature. And in upcoming videos I'll show you how you can cross sell and upsell as well. Attributes, so right, attributes are not for simple products. So right now we are discussing about simple products, so let's leave that out. Okay, once you've done that, all you need to do is click on update. Okay, once it is updated, let's go ahead and see. As you can see, the price has already been mentioned. Since we enter regular price 699, then it is showing 699, and then that is strikeout, and it is showing that this particular product is for sale. Okay, and now what I wanted to do, I wanted to upload images for this product. Okay, so let's select this images. As you can see, I have already have few images right here, and I have also added few more images for you guys. Okay, so here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and select these images because I wanted to show you exactly what these product are. Okay, I think I've done enough. Right, let's put it right here and let's upload it. Okay, here I wanted to show you exactly how this product is going to be. Okay, so suppose I'm selling this. Okay, select set product. So this is the first image, and if I want because we wanted to show multiple images, then what we can do, we can show multiple images like this. Let's turn on select this one. Okay, selected few images and we have set, and then let's update it. I'll show you how the product page is looking right now. Okay, as you can see, the product page is looking like this. Customer can select multiple images like this. Okay, so now we need to enter few details. So product short description is going to be above. So let's go ahead. I have actually created few lines to save times. Depending on your product, you can enter details like that. I've entered these details, and now let's enter few more details here. Okay, let's see. Let's enter this, and here let's enter image. I'm going to enter this image. So let's go with full size update. Okay, that is going to look better. Let me show you. Okay, let's details. Okay, if you want, you can bold them outright. You can bold them. Let's bold it. I just wanted to show you how you can create a good product page, right? They'll be making few more videos regarding that in order to show you how you can create good product page. As you can see, product short description is below the price and above add to cart, and this description is here. Okay, and if we have a review, the review section is going to be like this. Okay, it is looking like this, just fine guys, as you can see. And spacing, if you want to have good spacing, you can do this and that. Okay, let's enter few more things. Let's enter one more image. Okay, let's go with add media to this image. As you can see, the image that I have selected for the description is 480 by 247. Actually, it is not 270. Usually I go with 480 by 320. Okay, let's update and let's put it right here. Okay, and just a minute, I'll show you. This is the dimension that I'll go with if I have an image on, description. Now let's update it. So it is looking like this. Okay guys, as you can see, right? So in this way you can create a really good product page, and it is going to be like this. There are a few more things that you can do here. Actually, I'll show you. You need to hit on this customization button. Okay, once you are logged in, you will be seeing all this option. Okay, hit on this customization button, and in this customization button you will see so many options for WooCommerce. Okay, go ahead, WooCommerce. So if you want, you can enter short notice. Okay, let me show you. See, if you have this here, you they see this notice is available. Okay, if it is above, if we want, we can have store notice like this. If we want, we can have store notice below it. So suppose if you are, not fulfilling any order, or you are making website, then in that case you can enable this option. Okay, you can enter anything that you want here, so it does not matter. You can also design few more things here. So right now we don't need to enable this. We need to go to the single product layout. Okay, in single product layout you can see there are few more things. So if we want to enable the category, then in that case you will see category here. it is uncategorized right now. Okay, and rating will be enabled once we have reviews ongoing. And as you can see, with price you can also mention something like this, and COD available, which usually look good. And if you don't want to have COD enabled, because in outside India there is no COD or option, that is cash on delivery. So what you can do, you can enter something like free delivery or free shipping, anything that you want. You can enter almost absolutely anything. Okay, so right now we don't need to enable it. Okay, there is one more option. So yes, as you can see, if I enable this one, we'll have nice ongoing things, right? Free shipping over $50. You can change it if you are from different country. Like let's go ahead and change it at 1,000 rupees, right? And we can enter rupee symbol here. Wait. Okay, now let's see. We have guaranteed satisfaction. If you want, you can have these style in bullets. Okay, right now we have this. So you need to change everything, right? Choose icon, secure payments and all. You can enter more if you want. So this is a very nice option that Cadence theme have. If you want, you can enable payment as well. You can see guaranteed checkout. See, and you'll have a gray option as well, right? And if you want, you can have so many options here, right? You can enable anything. Let's see, guaranteed safe checkout, right? So you can enable that, but we don't want to enable that. I've shown you that you can. Product meta if you want, and if you want to enable sharing option, then you will have sharing option as well. But in order to have sharing option, you need to enter details. So there are few more options here. As you can see, if we want, we can disable this plus and minus button, and then you'll have this sort of an option. But I really like this increment and decrement option, so I'll have this one. Okay, product variation, we haven't created a variation, so you won't be able to see this description. This description is showing in metal. If you want, we can have this show default heading tab. Then you see you'll have this one, right? Description here. If you disable it, you'll not have it. If you want, you can enable weight and dimension tab as well. So once you enter weight and dimension here in this tab that we have gone through, uh, let's go to shipping, then it will show weight and dimension of that product as well as a one option. Let's go ahead and see. Let's enter anything that we want. Okay, let's update it. Let's publish it. I'll show you when this is enabled. Look how well it is looking right now. In additional information, we have weight and dimension, right? But usually I don't enable it, guys. But in any case, if you want this to be enabled, and I'm showing you how you can enable it. Okay, right now I don't want that, so I'll have this one. You can enable related products, which I think is very necessary in upsell and cross sell. In my upcoming video, I will show you how you can do that as well, so there is no need to worry. Okay, guys, so we've gone through each and everything here, and if you want, you can enable padding and can see so many things. If you want, you can enable breadcrumb as well. You will see here show up and get rice potable water, but in my case I don't do that, so should give nothing, right? And then hit on publish, guys. Okay, guys, now we can see how we can enable variable product as well. Okay, Let's go ahead on this one. I'm going to show you on this product as on this product too, because we have a variation for this product. As you can see, we have three colors available here, that is yellow, pink and blue. So we can enable variation like this. Okay, and there is one more thing that I wanted to tell you about. Just a minute, guys. Okay, I wanted to tell you about category. Okay, so suppose we do not have any category, right? So how we can create categories? As you can see right now, I have these categories. If I want, I can click on categories here, and here I can see I have made few categories. Okay, let's delete them. Okay, this is the by default categories that WordPress have, so you cannot delete this one. So in order to make any category, what we can do, we can name it. Let's name it for dogs. Sorry, just okay. And slug will be formed automatically. So what is this option, this parent category? So suppose if you have a category like for dogs, and in that for dogs category you will have another category like for small dogs, for large dogs. So then in that case what you can do, you can make category in category, right? So in for dogs you will have category like large dog or small dog. Okay, so when you are forming for small dogs, then in that case you need to select the parent category, which will be for dogs, and the child category will be small dogs. Okay, so we don't need to enter any description as such, and let's hit on add new category. Here you can see for dogs has already been made. Okay, so right now I need to update it. As you can see, once I have updated it, before that there are two categories that are available for dogs and for cats, but since I have deleted both of them and then added for dogs, now you can see that I have one category that is for dogs. If you want, you can add category from here as well. Let's enter category that is for cat. Okay, for cat, add new category. Okay, as you can see we have already formed. Okay, now let's disable it and enable, because this one is for dog, so we are clicking that this particular product is for dogs. Okay, now let's update it. Once you update it, you will see that this category that is showing right here, now it will show for dogs here. Okay, usually I don't have this enable, right? Because in my product page I don't want my customer to go anywhere. I just want them to click on add to cart and go to a cart page, and if they are on cart page, then that cart page is designed in such a way that with minimum effort the customer is going to the checkout page. And now the checkout, once they are on checkout page, we want our checkout page to be simple, so that the customer will purchase from us. Right now it is looking like this. Okay, as you can see, we need to manually update it. In our upcoming video I'm going to show you how it will update automatically as well, so you don't need to worry about it. Our checkout page is looking like this right now, guys. Okay, since we have COD enabled. Okay, we'll see each and everything, so there is no need to worry, guys. Let's go ahead, go to product here, and inside product, go to in customization. I'm disabling this one. Okay, and then hitting on. Now we need to discuss about variable product. So once you created a simple product, you need to create a variable product. So in order to create a variable product, you need to click on variable product. Alright guys, for variable product, what I want, instead of doing that to this one, let's update it. I'm going to copy this one in order to show you how products will look like. So we'll go to all products. As you can see, we have one product right here. What we can do, we can duplicate it. Okay. Instead of having copy, what we can do is enter just what. Okay, and if you want you can edit URL as well. This thing is known as paralink. Okay, if I want to edit it, I'll just edit it and click on OK. Okay, now let's go ahead here in variable product. Since I've told you that there are multiple colors, so we can make variation for colors, right? So I'll click on variable product. Text is none, zero rate class, inventory no need, shipping no need. Let's go to attributes. So variation is what? Variation is the list of colors, right? So pink, yellow and blue is actually the variation, and that color is the attribute. So I'll add an attribute. So attribute is color. So suppose if we are making a product, like if a product is for shirt, okay, and there are different sizes of a shirt, so that size is known as the attribute, and variation will be what? Sizes, list of sizes, which is medium, large or small. Okay, so in this case what we want to have color as an attribute. So once I enter color, I'll click on used for variation. This is very important, you need to click on it. If you want this to be visible on the product page, that variation, then you can click on it. I don't want it, so I'm deselecting it. Now for color, let's go with blue. Okay, now you need to enter this symbol. Then after blue you can enter what? Pink. After pink you can enter yellow. Okay, let's save. Once I hit on it, I've saved the attribute. We'll go to the variation. In variation, what I can go, I can click this create variation from all the attributes. Okay, and I'll hit on OK. So as you can see, the attribute that we have added is actually the color, and right now we are going to get three variation because we have added three color, right? So once you have three color, you can see we have blue color. So for blue color, let's select this one. Okay, image. We need to enter the variation price. Okay, so variation price, let's enter 999 and let's give a discount for 799. Right, for pink, let's enter this one. Right, and edition price 999 and 799. If you want, you can schedule this price as well. Okay, suppose I want to schedule this price, so I'll click on it and I can select the date, so it is automatically going, if you schedule it for today only. Okay, so once after 12 what will happen, it will go back to the regular price. Okay, so you can do that as well if you want. You have that option. So let's go ahead and select the yellow one. I cannot see, so select this one. Okay, you'll have your images, so there is no need to worry depending on the product that you are adding. Then you hit on save. Saved it. And there is one more thing that I wanted to tell you. As you can see, I have not added any default value. So if I go to this paralink, right, you can see no option has been selected. Let's suppose if I add a default option, which I'll highly suggest you do, and then hit on save changes, so it will happen the blue is already been added, right? So refresh it. As you can see, the color has already been added. So there are pink, blue. Why yellow is not there? Let me check. Okay, I have not added the price, that's why yellow was not there, right? 799. Once we did that, we'll hit on save changes. This change has been saved. We need to publish it. Okay, once it is published, all you need to do is hit on update. So you can see, we can select for pink color, the image is changing, you can see, right? Yellow, it is changing. So that is how you can create, product page. As you can see, the product page is looking really nice, guys, right now. Okay, and I'm also going to show you few more things that you can do in this product, because we need to add reviews for sure, right? And once we add reviews, then we'll have a good option. We'll make footer as well, so everything will be fine. Okay, as you can see, one product has been added. Let's add another one. It is an edit. Let's view cart. Here, need to update it. In my upcoming video, I'm going to show you how we can update it automatically. Okay, guys, you can see here it is. Everything will be amazing. Okay, so we have successfully created both the things, right? If you go to products, I've told you about variation products. I've told you about this, and there is one more thing that we need to add. Just a minute, right? So suppose in this attribute, right? Just a minute. This is simple. Okay, so just a minute. Let's edit this one. I wanted to show you one more thing, okay, about the price. So once we go to attribute, we need to add one more attribute. So in my sense, what we can do, we can enter something like capacity. Okay, so we can also make one more attribute, that is capacity on the basis of uh, how much water this water bottle can carry. Okay, so we will have like 350 ml one, right? 350 ml, and the second one is, let's say, 500 ml. Okay, and we need to click on it, need to deselect it, we need to save changes in variation. Okay, let's create, let's hit okay, let's hit go. No, it has already been added, we don't need to add it. So 6 variation has been added, guys. So as we can see, we need to delete the previous one, right? So we can delete it. You can delete it like that, or we'll have one more option before that, that we could have done, but we haven't. So here you can see, you can delete all the variation on the group. Okay, now let's internet, guys. Uh, mhm. Just a minute, guys. Product description. Okay, so here we have added this variation, guys. Let's select, you can select blue color, right? You can select prices. Okay, so for 350 ml we wanted to have a price structure like 699, and we are giving it 499, right? This one, let's select blue, and for blue one it is 999, but we are giving it 799, same price, right? So we need to do it this like this. For 350 ml, what we have done 699, I guess. And then we are giving it 599, I guess. Is it? Just a minute. 699 and 499. Okay, this one is pink, I guess. Then select pink again. And for this one, we have a pricing of 799 for yellow. Select this one. 699. Last one. Select yellow. Right. And then go with 99. Right. Changes. Save changes. So once you hit save changes, guys, you need to select the fourth one as well. Here I'm going to select 350 ml, right? 350 ml, and so once I have done that, I'll be able to see changes here. Okay, yeah, because it has been added. As you can see, the variations are available right now. Okay, color, capacity, and there is clear option that will deselect all of them, right? So you can see variation prices are looking like this. In my upcoming video, I'm also going to show you how you can change rates here as well, and we'll hide this option in my upcoming video. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because there's so much that is going to come in upcoming video, guys. And there is one more option that I wanted to show you before we proceed. So let's go with WooCommerce single product layout. Here we have this option, right? uh, this one, we have an option here. So this product variation display is looking horizontally. If I click on vertically, it is going to look like this, as you can see below that. Okay, and in horizontal it is going to look like this. So depending on what you want, you can select it. Okay, right now it is looking like this, which is fine. And yes, hit on publish. So with this we have completed how we can create products, and as you can see, it is looking very fine now. The reviews, in my upcoming videos there will be a separate video regarding the reviews, where we will see how we can add reviews, but for now we have completed how to create products, right? And I think that is it for today's video, guys. I've completed how to create products. I've also shown you how you can create categories. I've also shown you how you can create variable products. And there is one more thing that we need to see. So remember, we are making attributes in the product level editing page, right? And if you want, you can create attributes here as well. As you can see, if I click on attribute, I can create attributes. Let's create attributes like size, right? And yes, add attribute. And inside size, like let's take an example before, like we have created an attribute for color, and inside color there will be three colors, right? So inside size we can add as much as sizes that we want. Enable this one to, just a minute, guys. Back to attributes, you need to configure terms. Okay, so in sizes we can add small, right? That's right. And medium, that's right, large. So you'll have this attributes, right, in the product page. And if you go to products, let's go in simple product, right? Let's edit it. If we go to attributes, you will be able to see size here, right? Because we have added attributes from here, then we can select size here. If you want, you can select that and then you will hit on enter. Let me show you guys because it is important to show. As you can see, we can add which sizes that we want, right? So either you can add them one by one or you can select all of them. Let's save it. And in attributes column, what we can do, we sizes, save sizes. Just a minute, because we need to hit on, right? So now in variation, you need to click on used for variation, which is very important, guys. Okay. Just a minute, I'm also going to show you. Let's show this as well, how it is visible. So let's add. Okay, you will see three attributes, three variation will be added, like, right? As you can see, three variation has been added. So everything will be like this, right? Go with simple product. Let's keep it as simple product. Okay, so in this video we have successfully created our product page, and in upcoming video I'm going to show you how we can create menu, because it is not looking nice here. And we will also go ahead and see the footer section, and after that we are going to go ahead and make home page, which is very important. Okay, so that is it for today's video, guys, and I hope you like it. And you can let me know if you have any doubts, anything that you want to add, anything that feedback that I can do to improve the upcoming videos. So you can comment on below. And if you really enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, because there are so many videos that will be coming in. And thank you so much for watching this, guys, and I'll see you in next one.